a decision. God, how do I live holy? God, what is holiness? What am I doing that doesn't please you? Some of you don't even want to pray that because you're afraid of what He might answer. You're trading a destiny for a moment that's not going to last. Take pictures, make a collage, because that's all you're going to have. You know, like some of our parents, that they give you stories about your father and your mother, but they're not with them anymore. It's a distant memory. All you got is pictures. All you got is stories. And what happened to it today? And many of us saw that, if you're like me, and we saw that and we were like, I don't want to live that. I don't want that to happen to me. And God is coming to you saying, I don't want that to happen to you. But you're